Hi property viewers and welcome back to another property tour. Currently, I am in Greenwoods Executive Village and sitting behind me is a three-story house. It has these warm tone elements with a combination of wood and concrete elements. There are two large balconies and recessed lighting giving you a upscale polished look for this property. Excited na ako to show you around here because this house is a resort-style designer house. So let's go guys! So before we enter the property, we have two gates. Dito ipapasok yung car. This is a manual gate and a smart door lock. So upon entering, you have your parking slots here. It can accommodate at least two cars. We are surrounded by plants here, so it's giving you a really resort-inspired house. So you have your outdoor sitting area. You have your sink here. We have a pool area. This is one of the highlights natin. You have a pool area surrounded by tropical plants. So it's really giving you a tropical vibe here. And if you are curious kung ano yung stairs dito on our right side, actually this is another access going to the second floor. Pero hindi tayo dadaan dyan, dadaan tayo sa main staircase dito sa loob ng bahay. So let's go inside. Coming from the lanai area, this is bedroom number 1. The house has 5 bedrooms, so this is the first bedroom that we will be looking at. So from the car park, ito na yung room agad. From the lanai again, ito na yung room agad. Depende sa inyo kung ano yung gusto nyo maging purpose ng room na to. But originally, this is the bedroom number 1. But for me, pag ako yung titira dito, mas gusto ko siguro gawing receiving area yung room na ito. Kasi mas bagay siya kasi nandito tayo sa car park and then malapit tayo sa lanai area. So pag may bisita tayo, so better to have your guests here na lang sa room na to. And napaka-aliwalas ng room na to and napaka-airy because you also have this almost 90-degree na glass panels dito. So moving forward, may door din dito. So on this side, we have your common bathroom here. Alam nyo, napakaganda nung yung pattern tiles dito sa bathroom. So on this bathroom, you have your water closet here. You have this French style na glass partition. You have your shower area and your sink. So if may mga bisita kayo, at least we have a bathroom dito sa ground floor. So on this side, before we go up, this is your maid's quarter here. Then you have your service area dito para sa staff natin. Then on this side, meron tayong small area. Actually, if you'll be turning yung room dito into its original purpose, which is the bedroom, so pwede ito na lang gawin natin na receiving area or siguro yung mga shoes dito. So depends sa inyo kung ano yung gusto nyong gawing purpose because it's a small area lang dito. So much better kung dito na lang yung mga shoes or receiving area. Now, let's head to the second floor. You have this floating staircase na may glass railings and light steps. So, let's go. And welcome to the second floor. So this is an open layout combining your living area, dining area, and a view of your kitchen area. So on this side, this could be your living area. And if nakikita nyo sa video natin, grabe guys. It's a double height ceiling. Tapos, from floor to ceiling yung glass panels natin. So napaka-aliwalas, napakaganda yung pasok ng natural light. And if nakikita nyo on this side, meron tayong mga trees dito. So it's really giving you this type of resort or this tropical vibe dito sa house. Now, moving forward, this could be your dining area. Kasi nandito yung kitchen, so you can have an easy access from your or to your kitchen. And this one, this is the first balcony. So from your dining, you have this large balcony facing dito sa front ng property natin. Then you have this one side kitchen here. So you have a white marble countertop, you have your sink, you have this green touches na overhead cabinets, then you have this light touches here, then wood finish lower cabinets dito. So napakaganda ng finish. You have these shelves or your cubby holes, and then you have this countertop or your prep area. And also you can turn this into a breakfast nook. So napaka-aesthetic ng kitchen area natin. And then on the second floor, you have this bedroom number 2 here. It's a small bedroom. Then you also have your balcony here facing dito sa neighbor natin. So, yun guys. Siguro double bed, kasya na dito. And nakikita nyo, napaka-laki ng space ng living area, dining area natin dito. And usually, di ba, yung mga dining or living natin nasa ground floor. So, for this property, it is located on the second floor. And then, yung nakita nyo kaninang stairs na before we enter the main property or the main house, ito yung access. So, we have 2 access going to the second floor. First is yung kung saan ako dumaan inside the house, and this one is yung outdoor area. Then, the second floor has its own common toilet and bath. Sorry, lumagpas tayo kanina. So, you have this pattern tiles here sa bathroom. You have this sink with a backsplash here. And napaka-aesthetic niya with your French tile na glass partition. You have your water sink and also your shower with an opening window here. Ang ganda, para akong nasa resort talaga. Kaya pala sabi it's inspired by resort style designer house. So ito na pala yung ibig sabihin. So at least nakikita na natin kung bakit siya resort style. Then, before we head to the third floor using the main staircase, meron pa silang ina dito na accent, wood accent, and stone accent dito. So now, let's head to the third floor naman. Okay. Grabe. Napapalibutan tayo ng glass panels dito. And then your stairs, it's a floating staircase with glass railings naman dito. So upon arrival on the third floor, you have this structural na drop light dito. So napakaganda tingnan. And then we are surrounded by trees dito. So if nafe-feel nyo, nagbibigay talaga siya ng tropical vibe dito sa house. Which is, na dito sa Greenwoods Executive Village, medyo rare yung ganitong klaseng house. Lalo na yung vibe. So on the third floor, we have bedroom number 3. So this is a smaller bedroom. You have this closet here na may rattan covers. Then facing naman siya sa kabilang street dito sa likod. So itong room na to, we are surrounded by glass panels and also this French style na window glass dito. So I believe dito dapat yung bedroom because you have this drop light here. Then you have an AC provision which is the window type. Ay, sorry, hindi ko napansin. This bedroom comes with a toilet and bath. So, of course, you have this pattern bathroom tiles. You have the sink, you have water closet, a French style design, glass partition. Plus, you have a bathtub here and your shower area. So, alam mo yun, napaka-rare yung may bathroom na ganito na may bathtub. And this is one of the houses na meron na ganong feature. So, now, let's head to bedroom number 4. This is the bedroom number 4. So, pagpasok natin, you have your clothing storage here with rattan covers, of course. Parang adding or giving you this tropical vibe kahit nasa bedroom tayo. Then, you have your own balcony na facing sa neighbor pero kita na lang natin yung roof ni neighbor. And of course, we have a toilet and bathroom. You have your sink, you have your water closet, of course, your French style glass partition and your tub here. So lahat ng bathroom dito comes with this kind of pattern tiles. Iba-iba yung design niya. Hindi siya yung parang kung ano yung sa kabilang bathroom. Hindi siya identical sa ibang bathroom. So, napaka-unique ng style ng mga bathroom natin, especially yung tiles. Now, this is the primary bedroom. So, upon entering on this side, you have your mas maraming clothing storage and shelves. Of course, you have these green touches here kasi nga in-achieve natin dito yung tropical vibe. Then you have these rattan covers as well. But before we head to the bathroom, I want to show you kung ano ba yung view natin dito. So we have this large balcony dito sa primary bedroom and it's facing dito sa front ng property natin. So wala pang masyadong bahay. So pag tumira kayo dito, kaya super aliwalas kasi wala pang any buildings, only makita yung mga trees and mga greens and an empty lots doon sa harapan. Then this could be your bed area. So it could fit a king size bed. And then naka-ready na dito yung mga lighting fixtures natin. So you have this bedside table na drop light. And then dito naman yung sabay bandang headboard. So napaka-aesthetic. And yung touch ng color niya is more of a tropical vibe colors talaga. Now, for the bathroom. So, this primary bedroom comes with its own toilet and bath. You have a his and her sink here. Tapos meron tayong lower cabinets na merong accent ng wood cladding. You have this white marble countertop. Then you have your water closet, yung tub, of course, and your shower area. And of course, di mawawala yung French style design na glass partition. And ditong bathroom lang or tub, merong racks na surrounded dito sa side or corners niya. So again guys, that's a full tour of this house. And this is one of my favorite houses dito sa Greenwoods Executive Village. And it's really giving you this tropical vibe. If nakita nyo naman yung mga touches, yung finishes ng bahay. So, masasabi nyo talaga, kaya palang resort style, kaya pala tropical theme yung house na to. It's because of those touches na meron tayo dito. If you want to know more details and for property viewings, just contact us through our contact details provided in the description box below. Again, this is your host, Realtor M, and see you on our next property tour.